Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here, and welcome to Cook and Share. I love onion rings, like many other people, but I thought, why not make some stuffed onion rings? Now, some people have done this with ground beef. I don't like it, so I did it with mozzarella. Turned out absolutely fantastic. You're going to want to make this, so let me walk you through it. Okay guys, first up, what we got is a fairly large onion. You can use any onion you like. And we're going to slice this into fairly large slices, about three thick. And we're going to go ahead and separate them, and they come apart fairly easily. And do this for each one. The reason you want them thick is because it's going to be a stuffed onion. So what you're going to do is take a smaller ring and put it inside of a larger ring, and you want to gap something like this. It's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle, but I'll tell you, the outcome is well worth it. Next up, I'm going to take some mozzarella slices, and I'm going to cut them into about sections of 4. Then we're simply going to take our strips of mozzarella and place them in the center. Or actually, I should say, between the onions. And if you have to cut them to fit, that is absolutely fine. So there you go, something like that. So now they're all stuffed up. You can put these in the fridge or freezer while we're preheating the oil. Okay, after being in the fridge for a bit, we're going to start dredging them. First in the flour, and you want to make sure they're nicely covered. Next into an egg bath, and again you want to make sure they're completely covered. And lastly into some panko breadcrumbs. Now you can do a double dredge, eggs, panko, but I think a single is good enough. And what you end up is something like this. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Okay, now we're all dredged up. We're going to go into some hot oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius, until they're nicely golden brown. After about 2 or 3 minutes, they're beautifully golden brown. So I'm just going to pull them out of the deep fryer. You can use a pan as well, and set them aside on a plate. Alright, now they're nicely browned. I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt over the top. These look so good, guys. And there you have it, guys, our mozzarella stuffed onion rings. You're going to want to make these for sure. So let's cut into this and see what we've got. And just look at that, filled with that ooey gooey mozzarella. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. And I'm going to dip this into 1,000 Island dressing, but you can use whatever dip you like. This is really good. The dip, the onions, the mozzarella, the thickness, it's unlike any other onion ring you'd ever have. You got to make these. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.